Welcome. Today, we're diving into the command center of your body, the central nervous system, or CNS. Let's explore how this incredible system works. The central nervous system is fundamental to everything you do, think, and feel. It truly is the control hub. Simply put, the CNS is the body's main processing center. Its primary role is to interpret incoming sensory information and coordinate activity throughout the entire body. The CNS is made up of two major parts: the brain, the seat of consciousness, and the spinal cord, the vital information highway. Let's start with the brain. It's an incredibly complex organ, responsible for our thoughts, emotions, memory, and coordinating movements. The brain has three major divisions: the cerebrum for higher functions, the cerebellum for balance and coordination, and the brainstem for essential life functions. It is the ultimate multitasker, constantly processing massive amounts of sensory input and then generating the motor and autonomic responses needed to navigate the world. Next up is the spinal cord, often overshadowed by the brain, but just as vital for communication. The spinal cord serves as the main pathway for information traveling between the brain and the rest of the body, extending from the brainstem down to the lower back. Beyond transmitting signals, the spinal cord is also crucial for initiating simple reflexes, like quickly pulling your hand away from heat, without needing input from the brain. Now that we know the parts, let's look at the three main steps of CNS functionality: input, integration, and output. The CNS constantly receives sensory input from all over the body, monitoring external and internal conditions, whether it's light detected by your eyes or temperature felt by your skin. The brain integrates all this information, comparing it, prioritizing it, and using it to make decisions. This is where complex thought occurs. Finally, the CNS sends out motor signals to muscles and glands, telling them exactly how to react, completing the cycle of response. Given the CNS's importance, it's heavily protected by several layers of biological armor. The most obvious protection comes from bone. The brain is encased in the skull, and the spinal cord is shielded by the vertebral column. Further protection is provided by the meninges, three protective membranes, and cerebrospinal fluid, which cushions the brain and spinal cord from impact. In summary, the central nervous system is the master controller of our bodies, working tirelessly every second of the day. The CNS is undeniably the core of your existence, vital for coordinating all movement, thought, and maintaining homeostasis. Thank you for joining us on this overview of the central nervous system. We encourage you to continue learning about the fascinating world of neuroscience